Hello there. Today we're going to show you this portable gas stove. This stove, you can use it when you are traveling or you're camping. You can also use it in your home for your daily cooking. So this is how this gas stove looks like. Very simple and useful.
Okay, so this we have two connectors here. We have this one which is going this side. This one is there to connect your gas cylinder that when you want to use in the house. You use this one and then you put a pipe here. Remember, when you install a pipe here for the gas cylinder, you need to tie it up so that no leakage of gas is going out. Okay, and make sure that you get the right pipe size so that you don't have the problem of having a bigger pipe not holding this part. Okay, and make sure that whatever pipe you are using or whatever connection you are using, when you connect to this part, you tie that connection very well and firm. And then we have this second connection here, this second opening. This one is here to connect our gas canisters. If we have canisters in the house that we want to use, they will sit here and you connect through this other opening. This is an example of a gas canister that we will use today for demonstration. Okay, so this gas canister comes closed like this. Of course, you will need to remove this cap. This cap needs to be removed for you to install this canister to our stove. Okay, so for you to remove this cap, I know it might be difficult for some of us to do, so I'll just demonstrate for you. So you just hold and pull it up like this. This part goes, okay, I'll just show you how to install it. Okay, so when you want to install this, you make sure this lever or gear, depends on how you install it. This device has to be on release for you to install this gas canister. Okay, so you pull up this. Go for this, okay, and then you push in your gas canister like this and you release. So it has to be like this, okay, it has to be like this. Make sure that it's like this, and when you finish putting your canister like this, then you push this gear or lever down, as you can see. So now it's closed. When it's closed like this, it means that no gas will go out, or you won't have any leakage of any gas whatsoever. So when you're done doing this, when you want to light up your stove, you just push this knob a little bit, this side, just near the minimum. Okay. When it's like this, it means that gas has started coming out, going through from the canister through the pipe to our opening here, where we're supposed to put from. And then you use matchstick, or you can use a lighter to light up this stove. Okay. It's on. So
When installed, it means that like this, you can now start your cooking, and make sure that this stand it's properly installed. As you can see, it's not supposed to be upside down, because when it's upside down, whenever you put something on top, this frame goes off. So make sure that this is installed properly, so that this four parts can hold your pot, can hold your pan, can hold your teapot, whatever it is that you want to use for cooking. So if you want to increase the fire of this stove, and in case you're cooking something that needs too much heat, you use this knob. As you can see, when you push this knob towards the max, the frame increases, which means the heat will also increase. Okay? So you can go all the way until to the max when you put something on top. Yeah. So okay, so this is a type of gas cylinder that we have. Okay, so you have different type of gas cylinders that you can find, and these cables might come in different sizes, so make sure that you get the right size for this device that we are showing you. Get the right size so that you don't have a problem of maybe this hole is not fitting the connection on the stove, or maybe this pipe gets to be bigger than the connection that size. So you make sure that you get the right size so that you don't have any problems. Okay, so this is a gas cylinder that we have. Okay, so you connect here and make sure that it's tight and firm, and make sure you tie this part. Don't forget to tie this part. Always tie this part so that you don't have any leakage of gas coming out. Okay, so this other end goes through to our stove here. So to make sure that your pipe connects with this one, and then you have to push it and make sure that it reaches this end so that it's very much firm. Okay. When you connect your pipe like this, okay, there's this part where you need to tie. You need to tie this part so that this pipe has a firm connection with the stove, and you don't have any gas leaking. So for you to tie this, depending with the tie that you have, others will need a flat screwdriver and others might need a star screwdriver, depending on the tie that the cable has. So you tie here with a screwdriver and make sure that it's firm. The cable is not moving. Then you're good to go to switch on your stove like this. Okay. When you connect like this and then you switch on your gas that side, then you're good to go. Your machine will work. Okay. Here you go. As you can see, our machine is working. Connected this side, and then this canister is not connected anymore. So you can use this, or you can use the gas cylinder that you're supposed to use in the house.
Thank you for watching. See you another day, and remember to subscribe to our channel if you love this kind of
videos, please remember to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you another time.